Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you about computer and the characteristics of a computer. So computer is acronymed as commonly operated machine, particularly used for trade, education and research. So each and every term here represented like this, and this is the complete acronym of computer, COMPUTER, and the word computer comes from the word compute. It's a Latin word, remember, compute, which means to calculate. And what is a computer? First you should know the definition of a computer. Computer is an electronic device or machine that can perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. So first of all, how we are defining? It's an electronic device. Electronic device is nothing but a device which works with power. What is the meaning of electronic? The devices works with power are known as electronic devices, and this machine is going to use for all arithmetic operations and logical operations also. And computer is also called as a data processor. And come to the characteristics of a computer, how it is going to be useful for us: accuracy, speed, large storage capacity, versatility, reliability, diligence, automatic, source of entertainment, cost effectiveness, no intelligence. These are the characteristics of a computer. Let's see one by one. What is accuracy? Accuracy is nothing but accurate results it produces. When you do calculations with a computer, it produces accurate results. That is the meaning of accuracy. Whatever the calculation you do in a computer, there is no doubt of false. Always, once you feed the instructions in a proper way, it gives us accurate results. That is the meaning of accuracy. Accurate results it gives. Speed. As we know, why we are using today computers? For the speed, because it performs every operations with a huge speed. What is that huge speed? Will be mentioned in nanoseconds. Generally we know second, no? Seconds we can see, but it performs in second 10 to the power of minus 9 seconds. That much speed a computer has, so that it performs so many operations with very high speed. This is about the speed characteristic. Number 3, large storage capacity. Storage capacity of a computer is termed as memory. Okay, memory of a computer is nothing but storage area of a computer, and how much data you want to store in a computer, you can store definitely. That is called as large storage capacity. It can store large volume of data. Number 4, versatility. So simply you can remember this as multitasking capability. What is versatility? Multitasking capability. Multitasking means at a time performing more operations. Can we do that one as a human being? No. Human being can do 1 or 2 works at a time. And exactly, if you want to say, will do only one work perfectly at a time. But come to the computer, it can perform so many operations at a time. That is called as versatility. Just you remember shortly, multitasking capability. Reliability. What is reliability? Reliable is nothing but believable. If we get some information from the computer, we'll believe that one. That's definitely true. Once we feed the right instructions, we'll get the right answer. That is called as reliability. Diligence is nothing but tirelessness. Generally, if we do more works entire day or for some hours, definitely we'll get tired. But come to the computer, it works with the tirelessness. Nothing but it doesn't feel that fatigue, tiredness, and other things, like how human being faces so many problems if they do a work continuously. But here computer, tirelessness is the capability of the computer. It can work continuously without getting tired. It can perform the same task repeatedly. If we do the same task, human being feels bore. But for computer, no boredom. continuously it works, and repeatedly it performs the task, and a lack of concentration, no lack of concentration with a computer. So these all capabilities are come under diligence. Automatic, once you feed the instructions to the computer, it performs the task automatically. There is no need of supervision of a person. That is called as automatic. Source of entertainment, we know very well about this one, no? Source of entertainment, how we use computers for entertainment, like watching movies, listening to watching TV and listening to music, some other sorts of entertainment like videos, movies, etc. So these all come under entertainment. Today we are using computers for the mostly for entertainment. Cost effectiveness. So generally, if no computer, what we use paper to write something on that one. So when the computers were introduced, from that time we are using everything, storing purpose, writing purpose, everything we are using computers, no? So that computers reduce the amount of paperwork and human effort, thereby reducing costs also, so that it decreased cost. No intelligence, actually it's a problem with a computer. No intelligence means generally computer can work with the speed, high speed, good accuracy, multitasking capability, large storage capacity, and it is reliable, and it can work 24/7 without tiredness, no lack of concentration, and automatically it performs all the operations. We can use it for source of entertainment, and cost is also somewhat decreased, but it has no intelligence. Is nothing but to operate a computer, definitely a person should be there. No self thinking, no decision making with a computer. That is called as no intelligence of its own. It can't take any decisions, it can't think, and you can say that no emotion also, like all these come under this one. Robots are the example of such artificial intelligence systems. This is about computer and computer characteristics. Thank you.